What's up everyone, I bring another video on OTC markets again. We're going to try this strategy with line charts. We'll start quickly with the setup for those who not create an account on box option. There in the description of the videos you'll find the link for that, guys. Please verify your account first and follow these steps and deposit using the fastest methods. Alright? Both deposit and withdraw as Robin and via Binance. Okay, TRC20, what is that? So let's start quickly with the setup, guys. The line chart appears there, but what a time frame. Okay, with lines we don't have that. Okay, so if you just use a line, you need to set up the indicators. We're gonna first alligator 138855 and 3. The color is up to you. Click on save. Fractal for the next one, we're gonna use 5. Okay. For the SAR, we're gonna use 002 and 02 as the previous one. Let's change that to the pink one. Thickness to, all right, okay. That's clear right now. So we got this fractal, guys. We got all this situation with just performing it downtrend right here. Okay, 1, 2, fractal, mid 3, it's up to you. Not the second one. This confirmation part is the alligator is already starting to the crossing downward. Look at this. All the 3 lines. Most of the green line or right in the entry point is happening right here. Okay, the price is going to up and down. That is going to down, but red have about 76 fractal points. All right, it's not going to be 7 respectfully. You can take in the based on the decision based on how the price behave. I think the trade has been right for a while, and that's just, look, it's a red rejection. So that's just a kind of pullback. And that's why the entry criteria on those is not there. Yeah, but anyway, I'll wait for the second position and decided the low position in that. And look at this, guys. We just got that. The first one. That's pretty good. All right. 79 on total. Let's see it for the next one. We're gonna get this right now. Okay. So we got a position on that cross line of the alligators. The parabolic sign. Look at this point. That is a good one. But look at the line. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. If you just note, guys, the line is just passing through the alligators. Maybe that's a fake situation. Need to pay attention on that. All right. So just take another one and look at that. This is pretty good. Crossing line the alligator, parabolic SAR. We just got all the situation. That's just as the previous one. 70 points for the parabolic SAR. What I don't have is fractal, but the price is gaining momentum. Retraction, gaining momentum, the price is what it's going to show in the strong movement. So I am entering based on the criterion. Although a fractal point should have appeared, have already. But no, I don't know what it does on the appear, guys, but it does not appear up here. All right, but maybe this is kind of just think about it. Just matches one. All right, you can change the color if you want, but in the case I showed it, won't have appeared. There was very strong movements which entered on the upside in that specific asset. Okay, this case is drying up there, and look at this, guys. We just got this position, $114. Okay, that's pretty good. Very nice. If you can see it made that give you a very late entry, it could be a fractal. All right. So it's necessary sometimes to just imagine that, to think about it. We got the right one in the middle of that boys are there, guys. Oh my gosh. But all right. Okay. I'm going to wait that the city gives me an answer, guys. It could be right here. It could be why I don't see that's already staying still. It's one to go up there. Okay, but it does want to fall either. But it doesn't confirm it to me. The bills already appearing and I'm missing the strong crossover of the average. And that is for that. So we're waiting for the confirmation and short on the pair. Trying to go up again. No. That's a good downtrend. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. That's slowing down, guys. It's not staying here for long. It's slowing down. Not giving me the upward moments at this moment. I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Bellboard card telling me that same thing. The fractal has already indicated that. And look at this. Very good. All right. So let's see that. 7 seconds. 134, guys. Look at this. Last position 1.5 finished the session. And luckily, we have another winner. I increased my amounts from 42 to 188. And that was almost 2 positions in a row. The good thing about the strategies is that you don't have to rush the trade of all them. Instead, you can trade all them in half an hour. And then you're done for the day. And you can come back to the next one. And this gives me the answer all the time, guys. You have real sales and the things about that. Choose wrong point analysis wrong. You're going to lose. But if you want to apply the gate to that. Generally, strategies like that are straightforward and to the point. And in this case, it's working right now. The downward movement, you can see the chart leaving the point. Okay? So guys, leave your opinion on the comments. Let's invite to the daily live broadcast on the YouTube channel. Let's go with that. Bye-bye, guys. See you.